So, welcome back, guys. I'm sorry I have not posted for a while. I had an issue with my YouTube account, so I had to resort it. So, let me share with us today how I traded GBPUSD. Actually, this market was on Friday. Yes, I entered this market on Friday. I got this setup on Friday. So, and today on our Asian session, London session, we take profit. So let me quickly take us through how I traded this market. So with my top down analysis, so let's start from 1 hour. As you can see on our 1 hour time frame, we have a break of structure here, a valid break of structure here, and also a valid break of structure here. So this is more like our liquidity trap on our 1 hour time frame. This is more like our liquidity trap. Yes, as you can see, market mitigated this place before going down. So this is on our 1 hour time frame. This is our protected low on our 1 hour time frame. Yes, that's our protected low. So let's go down to 30 minutes. On our 30 minutes time frame, I figured out my liquidity block. Because price is bearish, yes, so I figured out my liquidity block on our 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, this is our liquidity block. The candle that took out liquidity before coming to break structure here. So as you can see, there was a fair value gap there. So that is a very valid and 30 minutes sell order block. So on our 1 hour, let's go back to our 1 hour time frame. You can see that this was the last load that came to break structure. So this was another load that came to break structure here. So this is more like already a change of character on our 1 hour time frame. So let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. On our 15 minutes time frame as well, we already have a market structure shift here. So the 1 hour time frame actually confirmed the market structure shift. So as you can see, this was the last load that came to break structure. So this is more like the protected low. So price already broke through it. So that is why I choose that place as my market structure shift. So my projected, this is my projected buy on this market, but we didn't get mitigated. So I had to place my entry here because of my stop loss. But that is not what I want to discuss today. So I want to discuss with us that I traded this market. So immediately price hits our 30 minutes sell order block here. As you can see, this was my liquidity trap. So as you can see, market mitigated this fair value gap here before coming to break structure. So that is to tell us that sellers have been induced in this market. So there will be a lot of sell orders there. As you can also see here, we already have liquidity here also around this place. Market generated liquidity around this place too. So before you trade from a supply zone to a demand zone, you need to be able to spot liquidity. So what did the price do? The main reason why I traded this market is this. Now market already created a sell. Market already mitigated invited sellers here. So market already trapped sellers here. So now if I want to take a sell on this market, I need to see buyers trapped too. So where was the buyers trapped? Here. As you can see, before market made market structure shift here, market created another block here, a 15 minutes buy order block. As you can see here, I already marked it out. So a 15 minutes buy order block here. So there was already a 30 minutes buy order block here, but market didn't come down here. Market only used the fair value gap and then reversed back. So because of my stop loss, I couldn't take the market. So market trapped buyers here as well. So market already trapped sellers. So this is our liquidity block, and immediately price mitigated our liquidity block. You can see the huge sell-off from that block. Look at the huge sell-off. Market mitigated it 2 times, multiple times, but that zone is so strong. So that is why it has to push market down. So let me explain this buy. Though I didn't take the market, but I was proposing to take the market, but market didn't bring us in before market moved. So we already have market structure shift here, as we all know, and price already created a liquidity trap here. So this our liquidity block has been mitigated. So this our liquidity block on our 30 minutes is the new liquidity trap now. So it's a new liquidity trap for us now. So market is targeting the sell orders there. So as you can see, immediately market took this 15 minutes buy order block. Immediately market mitigated took it with a week. You know I used to say, if you used to watch my previous videos, I used to say that sometimes markets will just sweep your liquidity trap, then boom. So as you can see, market just tapped in liquidity trap, and then boom. So I had to miss the market because of my risk management. I can't put my stop loss here; it will be too wide for me. So I have to leave the market. As you can see, just like 4 to 5 candles, then boom. So that's it. So you need to watch our previous videos to always understand my analysis, and I have a Telegram link. So if you are interested in my analysis, if you are interested in anything, please join up if you are interested. So I usually make these videos for my personal educational purposes, because sometimes if I wish to review my analysis, I need to look at my analysis once again. I go back to my YouTube and I watch them. I go back to my videos and I watch them. So this is more like doing a trading journal for myself. So it's mainly for myself and to help my fellow traders in the market. So thank you so much for listening to us.